You may want to see how does the Chelsea pots made. Now, the workers are pasting the materials to the pot edges. And the planter body thickness is very important. Too thick and too slim both are easy to crack. Therefore, the expertise and experience of workers are very important. Now we need to attach the fiberglass sheet to all sides of the pots. This step will directly affect the sturdiness of the flower pot. The workers need to integrate the mold for the flower pot opening with the pot body right now. Then remove the excess material around the rim of the pots. After 5 to 7 hours drying, it's time to take the pots out of the molds. Then it comes to the step of polishing to make the surface of the entire flower pot smoother and flatter. After polishing, there are still some defects in some places, and workers will use materials to repair them. Then the first spray painting start. Workers will use a cloth to wipe the surface of the flower pot to create the texture on it. Then the second painting will be started. The paint will be naturally air-dried for 2 to 3 days and then packaged according to the customer's requirements. Currently, our products have been exported to nearly 100 countries around the world and have been widely recognized by customers. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us for more details.